Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve not installed on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.